The definition of painterly is outside the rules of artistry. It's loose, non-traditional paint for anyone. It's an artist paint for furniture and canvas. Painterly and DIY clay-based paint blend together perfectly like peanut butter and jelly. What I love about painting furniture and art is recreating the glorious, authentic look of old patina finishes. The artists from history used to make their own paint with high-quality pigments and simple ingredients. Most modern paint contains acrylic and plastic fillers. Just like the craftsmanship of old furniture made with real wood, dovetail drawers, hand-carved details, vintage paints were also made with premium and rich ingredients. Painterly is our new artist paint, made like a true vintage paint formula, with premium Japanese pigments and no acrylic fillers. This means it dries flat, it's reactivated with water, and it's the perfect companion for our 9-ingredient clay paint formula. This means our simple, premium ingredients will help you create beautiful, authentic finishes. It's like the difference between baking with margarine versus butter. The beautiful saturated colors of Painterly are perfect for your handmade gifts and your home decor. A little bit goes a very long way. You can mix Painterly in with white and create beautiful pastel colors, or you can add a little pop of color in with DIY paint and create a brand new color. Painterly is best when added on top of DIY clay paint. You can blend it, you can dry brush it, and it deepens with a sealer. Painterly is heavy-bodied just like DIY clay paint, so you can create texture like I'm doing with these ornaments, or you can blend it out and create a soft, smooth finish. We have a new decorating series coming up with fun handmade projects to give to friends or to make your home cozy and creative. Stay tuned, the tutorials and holiday home makeovers are coming soon. Painterly comes in 12 beautiful colors: Dreamville, Peacemaker, Skylight, Extra Electra, Glow Up, Ghosted, Love Language, Old Flame, Confection, Poetic Pink, Ultraviolet, and Maximalist. We will be adding more colors to this new line in the coming year. It is the perfect artist paint for your furniture art, your home decor, and your canvas. Embracing a loose and non-traditional approach, Painterly is designed to offer the brilliance and heavy body of an acrylic paint with the blendability and reactivation of a watercolor. This unique artistic formula blurs the lines between furniture art and traditional painting. You can find Painterly at a DIY paint retailer near you. To find the products used in this video, to find DIY paint in your area or to sell it in your store, and to find out more about the contributors who created the beautiful art in this video, click the link below. We will be sharing lots of projects, tutorials, workshops, and more from our design team, our retailers, and our customers. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.